Jinlong Paper PM6 6600mm paper machine was successfully started up. The project features a triple-wire, multi-cylinder high-speed paper machine with a trim width of 6,600mm, design speed of 900 meters/min, and capacity of 400,000 tons of premium packaging paper. Yunda provides reliable, efficient, and energy-saving complete stock preparation system. Yunda's service scope of supply covers process flow sheet design, equipment selection, mass balance, control logic, and turnkey project delivery, as well as on-site installation and commissioning. By providing a one-stop solution across the entire project lifecycle, Yunda contributed to the successful first startup, enabling Jinlong Paper to achieve much greener, more efficient production.